Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I am trying to figure out a way to use these Mecgar, M-E-C-G-A-R, I think is how it's spelled, 10-round magazines in my Springfield 7-round 45. This is an original 7-round 45. Works great. You can see this base here, plastic base. It prevents the slide from being over inserted. I'm doing this one-handed now, but all right, I'm not going to shove it in all the way because I've only got one hand here. I got one hand on the camera. So I shove it in, it stops there, right? Okay, that's original. This is the Mecgar. This is what I call a little punch out. You see, they've just taken a tool. There, that's pretty good. They've taken a tool and punched through the metal of the slide. There's probably some correct term for it, I don't know it. And that is supposed to prevent over insertion of a 10-round magazine in a 7-round gun. Right? You see back here. There's the punch out right there. The punch out is supposed to hit up against the bottom of this part of the frame and stop the magazine from going up too far. Well, what happens in my Springfield, see, I've got a beveled well, which is just a different thing. This punch out slides past the bevel and shoves into the magazine, and it jams right there. You can maybe see a little bit of the scraping where it's jammed in there. Once it's jammed in there, I can't get the damn magazine out. So what I'm looking for, by the way, this is unloaded. I already verified. What I'm looking for is some kind of a plastic or rubber base that I can attach or fabricate or do something. And let me show a different magazine. All right, here's a McCormick, all right? That magazine right there. Sorry for the glare. This is what I need to make or build onto here. And if you look, you will see that I think it would fit. There's a little locker tab there. Again, I call it a punch out, but not to get you guys confused, because punch out is really not very specific. But this would slide right off. I might even try sliding this off and fitting it on here just for the heck of it. All right? So, Chip McCormick, RPM, 10-round, railed, power mag, Mecgar, and an original Springfield Armory 7-round. I hope this helps clear up the questions. I've been putting some questions on one of my forums, and some nice guys on there are trying to help me out. Anyway, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and see you later. Have fun, be safe. Froggy out. Bye-bye.